Here is a prepper tip for my friends and family. These are cases I picked up at the Home Depot. You get four in a bundle, four of them, 11 bucks, $9 on sale. So I got them on sale, and they're designed for bits and bops and screws, nuts and bolts and organization, eh? So I thought, I'm going to give it a shot and see if this works for batteries. And we'll hold and behold. Comes with these little dividers here. And you can pull them out. You can get long stuff in there. I use them for the batteries. So each compartment, okay, will hold three. Okay, there's 3, 4, 5. So 5 per compartment. So I've got a total of 75 AA batteries in this whole setup, which is pretty good. All right, so that's pretty cool. Next one is over here. These are all AA batteries. Each compartment, I counted them, 15 AAA batteries per compartment. So that comes out to 195 AAA batteries in this whole gadget. And I didn't use these up because I have flashlights in here, little pocket flashlights and such. And also rechargeables, which should go over here. So that's right now I have 195 AAA batteries. We go through batteries a lot around the home. But these are really tough. These are really tough little cases. So, you want to store your batteries. This is one way. I have to make sure that the batteries don't touch each other, or else they'll short each other out. I don't want that to happen. That's why I bought this, and it's been working great for me. Okay, so that's my tip on how to store batteries. And of course I label everything. I'm a label-holic. Have a good day. Miigwech.